Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new website to your user account, to your login at connect.dataczar.com. So first let's go ahead and get logged into our account. We're going to go to dataczar.com. Let's click the login button. Get our email address and our password. And that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of this and go full screen here. So from dashboard, you're going to go to manage accounts. But first, let's look at website real quick. This is where the editing tools are for building your website. Now to add the new website, you're going to go to the manage accounts button and you're going to create a new account. And what's going to happen is you're going to have an account switcher. Right now, we have an account switcher. We have our webinar and we have our webinar AAA outdoor scenes. So when you add the website, you're going to click on create an account. It's going to give you an account switcher and it's going to allow you to use the same login. It's a separate credit card, it's a separate website builder, everything's separate, but it allows you to use the same login, which is really convenient. So let's click on create an account to add our website. So this one we're going to call AAA webinar. And the address, we'll just use 111 Example Street and Los Angeles, California 90001. And let's change that phone number. Okay, and the time zone. We are in America, Los Angeles. And if we want to add social media, we can do it here. So, for example, if we wanted to add Facebook, this is going to show up on our website. So, if you're going to add a Facebook, add your business Facebook, like our Dataczar Corp Facebook account. That would show up on the website. It's just as an example. Or if you have an Instagram, you could do your Instagram right here. And if you want this information to show up on your website, you're going to click this little button here, use info to show up on your website. So let's go ahead and click that. And then we have the account switcher. If you don't want this to be on the account switcher for whatever reason, you would click on this, but we're not going to do that. Most people want the account switcher. You can still view without the account switcher, but you want to have the account switcher. So let's go ahead and hit create. And this is going to allow us to add our website. So we created the new account, and that's our AAA webinar. And it's on the account switcher. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on domains, because right now on our account switcher we are on AAA webinar. We now have three. We have AAA webinar, 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 AAA outdoor scenes. This is the one we just created. It has separate billing, separate website builder, separate everything. So to add a website, we're going to add it right here. We're going to click on domains, AAA webinar. Let's do a search. And then we're going to add our domain. We're going to add to cart. And then this is our checkout. It wants us to add the credit card. And the reason that we add the credit card is because it's a separate billing, separate website builder, separate everything. So let's get out of full screen. Let's go ahead and go back. And right now we're on AAA webinar. So just real quick here, that's basically it. That's how you would add a website to your user account. And just for demonstration purposes, let's go to our webinar website. So on webinar, if we click the website builder, we have our website here, AAA outdoor scenes webinar. And then we have our webinar AAA outdoor scenes. We have a different website here. So let's click to that account. we'll go to website. These are the editing tools for editing this website, and then this is that website right here. Let's go ahead and click on it. So we have our webinar AAA outdoor scenes, and we have our webinar website. So we have the two different websites, and those are on the account switcher here. So right now we just entered AAA webinar, and if we wanted to add a website, we could. So let's go ahead and go back to dashboard, and that's it. That's how to add a new website to your user account, to your login with Dataczar Connect.